Hello, this is Leo. Leo is a very happy boy. He really loves sweet things. His favorite food is candy.
He eats chocolate for breakfast. He eats lollipops for lunch. Leo thinks sugar is the best thing in the whole world.
One night, Leo is sleeping in his bed. He has a very strange dream. He dreams about a magical place in the clouds.
Leo wakes up fast. He remembers an old book on his shelf. The book has stories about magic.
Leo opens the book and finds a hidden map. The map shows a secret path. It leads to the candy house.
Leo is very excited. He points at the map. I must go there right now!
Leo gets ready for his big trip. He packs a heavy backpack. He puts water and tools inside his bag. Next, he puts on his strong hiking boots. He ties the laces very tight. He wants to be safe on the journey.
Finally, he grabs his favorite wooden walking stick. Leo feels very brave. He is ready to find the candy. Leo waves goodbye to his empty house. He starts walking down the road. The sun is shining brightly today.
Leo walks into a deep, quiet forest. He steps carefully over rocks and roots. He looks at all the tall trees. Sometimes, the path is confusing. Leo stops and looks at his compass. He wants to go the right way. Walking is very hard work. Leo is getting hot. He wipes the sweat from his face. He is very tired. Leo sits down for a short rest. He drinks some cold water. The water makes him feel much better.
Leo looks through his binoculars. He sees something amazing in the distance. He says, "Wow, look at that! Wow, look at that!" He sees a very tall mountain. There is a wooden sign. The sign points straight up to the sky. Leo finds a giant ladder at the mountain. The ladder goes up into the clouds. Leo starts to climb it. He climbs for a very long time. He checks his watch. 2 hours pass, but he keeps going up.
Leo looks up. He can almost touch the sky now. He reaches his hand out. He is so close!
Finally, Leo reaches the very top. He puts a little flag on the ground. He is a great climber.
Leo looks down. The ground is made of white clouds. He pokes a cloud with his stick. It is very soft.
Leo jumps on the clouds. It feels like a giant trampoline. He laughs and bounces very high in the air.
Suddenly, Leo sees a very bright light. He puts on his sunglasses. What is shining so brightly over there? Leo takes out his camera. He cannot believe his eyes. He takes a picture of the amazing view.
The clouds change color. There is a giant candy cane in the ground. Leo is in a magical land.
In front of him is a beautiful little house. It is not made of wood. It is the candy house.
Leo touches the front door. The door is warm and brown. It is made entirely of sweet milk chocolate.
Leo smells the roof of the house. It smells like strawberries. The roof is made of pink cotton candy. Leo looks at the clear windows. They look like glass, but they are hard sugar. Everything here is food.
Leo breaks off a piece of a cookie window. He eats it quickly. It is the best cookie ever. Yummy! Leo runs into the candy yard. He finds a giant red jelly bean. He holds it tight and starts eating. Leo sits in a big white chair. The chair is actually a soft marshmallow. He feels very comfortable and happy. Beside the house is a small river, but it is not water. It is warm chocolate milk. Leo drinks a cup.
Leo finds a huge cake inside the house. He takes a very big slice. He cannot stop eating the sweets. He eats more chocolate, more cookies, and more candy. He is eating much too fast. He forgets to stop.
Soon, Leo is surrounded by empty wrappers. He lies on the floor. He does not feel very good anymore. Leo sits up slowly. His stomach feels very heavy. He feels hot and sick. He ate too much sugar. Leo holds his tummy tightly. It hurts a lot.
Ouch! My stomach hurts so much!
Leo feels very sad. He wipes a tear from his eye. He realizes that too much candy is a bad idea. Suddenly, a friendly cloud floats by. The cloud brings Leo a glass of fresh, clear water. Leo drinks all the water. It is cool and clean. His stomach starts to feel a little bit better now. Leo, would you like some donuts? No, thank you. He does not want any more sweets today. It is time to go home. Leo packs his bag. He waves a sad goodbye to the beautiful candy house.
Leo climbs back down the giant ladder. Going down is scary, but he moves very carefully.
He climbs for a long time. He is very tired. He just wants to sleep in his own bed again.
Finally, his feet touch the real ground. He stretches his arms. He is so happy to be back on Earth. Leo walks home and gets right into bed. He falls asleep instantly. He has a very deep, quiet sleep. Suddenly, Leo wakes up. He sits up fast and rubs his eyes. He looks around his normal bedroom. Leo looks at his clock. He realizes something amazing. The candy house was not real. It was only a dream! Leo gets out of bed and walks to the kitchen. He is very hungry. It is time for breakfast. He looks at the chocolate, but then he sees a red apple. He smiles. The apple looks fresh and good. Leo takes a big, crunchy bite of the apple. It is sweet, juicy, and very delicious. Real food is great.
Leo feels strong and happy. Apples make his body feel good. He knows that healthy food is the best choice.
After breakfast, Leo brushes his teeth very well. He wants to keep his smile clean and bright. Leo learned a good lesson. Candy is fun, but healthy food is better. Thank you for listening, and goodbye!